guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. Today is a Friday. I thought it was Thursday. No, it's not. It's Friday and it is the 28th, and I do have a plan with me on this, but it will go up at the end of the month. I wanted to show you this first because it's in themed of the Christmas in July series. So if you haven't seen the other videos, they are in our playlist and I will link that down below. So for today, I will be using the kit called Fall Reads, which is this one. I'm going to be using option C and I'll walk you through the kit in a little bit. So if you'd like to see how my page will turn out, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay guys, so I'm sorry it's a little bit dark right now. It's really cloudy out, but I'm pretty sure the sun will come out in a little bit. So today is the 26th and we will be planning for the week of the 29th until the 4th, and I will be using once again this kit called Fall Reads, and this is option C. So this is part of our Christmas in July new releases, and this is the Apple of My Eye collection. This is currently 20% off as you are watching this, and this is our Hobonichi Weeks regular kit. So our Hobonichi Weeks regular kit comes with 2 pages. This is the second page, the smaller one, and it has your bottom bars, your left and right one, headers, as well as script stickers at the bottom. So the first page looks like this, and it is much bigger. It has your date cover as a single strip, your decorative strip, individually cut checklist box, individually cut blank boxes, and that is the kit. Now, if you are like me and you like deco, then you can pick up the deco sheet, and it says Apple of My Eye over here, so it will match every single kit from the same collection that is the same name as this deco sheet. So this is the Apple of My Eye collection deco sheet, and it has a ton of beautiful stickers. And the reason that I have this as an add-on is because I wanted to maximize the kits for more functional planning, because not everybody is like me who likes to play around with deco. I do. I love deco so much. So that's why I made a separate page for it. Before we had a really big deco sheet, but I sized it down so it will fit the weeks, and as well as the stickers, they are smaller and everything. So let's get started, and we will begin with our strip or date cover. So the kit that I'm using is matte, and our matte sticker paper is best for ballpoint pens as well as felt tip and gel pen. All the usual pens that you use, will work for this. Some fountain pens will work for this, but not all. If you are a fountain pen user, then it is best to choose our cream glossy paper option, because that paper is really for fountain pens. Now I'm going to take the second page and take the bottom bar. Okay, now the bottom bar is on here, the left one, and I'm also going to just take this giant right bottom bar sticker and place it over the same line as Sunday. So it's just going to cover Sunday. I don't always do this. Sometimes I move this up to over here. I'll show you that later, I think, if I remember. But today I wanted to go traditional, and I wanted this space because I don't really know what's going to happen next week. I think it's not going to be as busy. It's just a lot of repetition. What I'm going to do next is that I'm going to take my strip sticker and I'm going to place it over top. Then I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm just going to cut it a little away from the spine. The reason that I'm doing that is because I don't want the sticker to go all the way in here. It is already pretty chunky. So I'm going to do the same to the other page. Now I did not cut this specifically for use on top here because I wanted you to be able to use it over here if you wanted. It is just one giant sticker, and it's up to you how you'd like to hack it to fit into wherever you'd like it to be. So it's looking pretty good. If you're a minimal planner or minimal sticker user, this is actually already substantial. But since I like to go sticker heavy, I'm gonna go ahead and use these boxes. So I am actually going to take all of these, well, except for the last one, and put them over here. They are individually cut, so you can do that pretty easily. So before the last week, I was using these blank boxes to track the weather, and I haven't been doing that because it had gotten pretty warm of late. And then yesterday, and I think it started Wednesday, so today's Friday, it had gotten really bad again. So that's pretty crooked. So I'm sorry about that. If you're new to the Hobonichi, just make sure that you are not peeling off the stickers after you've put it down, because the Tomoe River paper, which is the Hobonichi paper, it's very sensitive because it is very thin and it don't like stickers to be pulled out of it. You may be tearing the paper underneath. Actually, it's so sensitive that some really heavy post-its can do that as well. Washi can do that as well. So it's not just because you're using stickers. Okay, so this side is finished. Now, as I mentioned, this is going to be my weather tracker. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my checklist, and I'm going to put it, should I put it here? Yeah, I'll put it over here. It is extremely dark right now. I could hardly see what I'm doing. All right, so this is what we have so far, and I really like that this area is blank for me to use, whereas all of the stickers are at the border. So it's kind of like bordering what's in here. So it's kind of like a reverse of what you would do normally, the normal way of planning where highlighted things are on the sticker. This time, most of the things will be on paper instead of on the sticker. And I will show you the pen that I will use later. So before I play with the rest of the stickers here, the headers and the script stickers, as well as all of our beautiful decos, I'm going to go ahead and take my pen and line up, and my ruler, and line up all of these. So the pen I will be using today is called the Zig Mangaka 05. And I'm going to put you on fast forward mode just very quickly until I finish all this. Alright, and we are done. Actually, fun thing, I noticed that the Zig Mangaka works very, very well with the Hobonichi paper. When I use this on a regular paper, it doesn't work as well. It's not as dark, it's scratchy, everything else, but on Tomoe River paper, which is this one, it is stunning. So just a thought if you have that pen or are looking to get that pen. So I think that is done. I'm going to go ahead and take my script sticker here. I'm going to take weekend and put it in between Sunday and Saturday. And then I'm going to take goals. Oh, okay. But I'm not going to lay down goals yet. I'm going to go ahead and pick a deco. And I'm thinking of this one. I think this one is stunning for this. So instead of being too apple themed, it's more of a paper theme. More kitsch than it would be just, you know, apples and pies and things. But I am looking forward to using this. All right. So, okay. I'm going to take something else. I'm going to take one of the flowers. And then I'm going to take my today sticker. Just put the flower decoratively over top and put today down as well. That looks beautiful. So I'm going to choose another flower and my to-do script sticker. Then I'm going to just put this over here and put down to-do on top. All right, so we have a to-do, a today, and then this will be notes. But before I put down notes, which is the last script sticker that I have, I'm going to take this girl, and she will be on here. And then I'm going to take, I think I'm just going to leave it like this and put down my note sticker right there next to her, not on top, just next to her. And then I'm going to take one header sticker and put it over here. So I can just write down what this section will be about. I'm leaning towards house chores. And then I'm going to take the last header and put it over here. So the same position, nearly, well, yeah, it's the same line as this one. It's a little bit off. Okay, and then I'm going to take this laundry line. I'm gonna put it over here. so that it says house chores, because I am living with other people here. I do have roommates. They are the bestest roommates, and I feel like this is such a perfect sticker for writing down all the chores that we're gonna do. So next I'm going to take this teapot and the teacup. I'm going to put teapot over here because I'm thinking this section would be some tracking things. All right, wow, this is a really stunning page. So I'm going to hack this box using my scissors, of course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it diagonally, so it makes these two boxes and it kind of looks like a frame. I'm going to set one aside and then put one on Wednesday. And then I'm going to go ahead and take one of my Teeny and Friends sticker from Glam Planner. And I'm going to take the shopping sticker. Can the big one fit? Yeah. And she will be on here. So what's happening is that this, I could have just put it here and then wrote payday down. Okay, can we still lift it? Yes, we could. I'm so happy. All right. That's a major thing happening that day anyways. Oh, no. Not gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna sniff off a little bit here and then layer it like this. I'm not sure if you could see what I just did. Then I'm just gonna demo what this is gonna be for. It's going to be payday, and I'm going to write payday down over here. Ta-da! Okay, so that is looking really good. Now I'm also going to take my my gold, or is this rose gold? I feel like this is rose gold. I should get the gold one. So this is also from Glam Planner, and it says work. And then I'm going to put it, should I put it here? Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm going to lift this gold sticker. I'm going to put work down first from Glam Planner. And then I'm going to put down goals at the bottom of that. There we go. Work goals. Yay! So that looks pretty. I should get more of these script stickers. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is that I'm going to fill in a little bit using the same pen, the Zig Mangaka, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm just gonna talk to you about the stuff that I did. First is that I laid down two more stickers from the Glam Planner. So this one and this one. So this sticker will remind me that I need to send a very important email. I have homework due on this day. And then I also will have to film my plan with me on Friday. So just like today, I am filming on a Friday. And then I also put down this Build You sticker, also from the Glam Planner. So this is from one of the kits. And I had this extra. I did use that in my, did I? Oh no, I wasn't able to do that. So I used this kit in my Hobonichi cousin. I will be filming a plan with me on that fairly soon. And then I put down this laundry sticker from the Whimsical Cat. So I decided to do laundry on Tuesday. So Tuesday morning, because it is sunny and it's going to be cloudy all the way through the week. So I just put down the numbers over there, and I guess that's, and I put down a sticker over here to cover the number 7. And I just cut off the excess off of the edge. On the 31st, on Wednesday, it is also the last day of Christmas in July. If you would like to get any of the kits that is part of this series for 20% off. Make sure to go to the website paperjoyph.com because we have our Christmas in July sale. That is our annual shop event, second to the last shop event. Now, as I mentioned in my other videos, I'm not sure if we will be able to do Black Friday on account that we are currently in transition to moving myself and my husband to Australia. So we are not sure what's going to go down. Actually, I don't know what's going to go down in September because I might need to go to another campus for some schoolwork. But basically, this is what we did. I'll talk to you more about that later in life, maybe around September. So I'm going to show you the leftover stickers. I still have a lot of decos left, but I do have all of the kits for this collection, so that's going to come in handy. And then for the sticker kit for fall reads, I used it all up. These are just part of the boxes that I hacked. And, ooh, that's too high. And then this is the other page, which is also completely empty. So this is a very successful plan with me. I was able to use all of the stickers, but it still doesn't look as cluttered as some of my other spreads had become if I use all of the stickers. So I am pretty happy with this, and I think that I will truly enjoy this. If you'd like to see how this page will look like at the end of the week, make sure that you are following me on my social media, which is paperjoyph for both Instagram and Facebook page. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you are alerted every time I post a new video. I promise to be posting much more regularly until maybe September. So August is going to be super fun for this channel because you're going to see me at least once a week. If you'd also like to join our Facebook group, it is paperjoyph Planning World, and I can't wait to interact there with you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!